welcome back to the Surfer Joe Show, Chef Frankie. We're going to give you some hints about using the Ninja Foodi and how to use it. First off, when you are going to use this and grill, add a cup or two of water in there to the bottom pan. There we go. That will help the grease and everything build up in there. Now, you can shut it down, you can preheat it, or turn this on, or you don't have to. Now, we got some frozen burgers. Frozen. Take an ordinary butter knife, it's not sharp. Boom, look at that. Look at that. Place one on there. Want another one? Boom, just like that. Okay, you have room for one more. Turn this on. Boom. There you go. Alright. Going to close the lid down. Now you have several options. Air crisp, roast, grill, bake, boil, dehydrate. We do not want to dehydrate a frozen hamburger. If you do, that's on you. Broil, yeah. Bake them, or we want done a little more. Roast, haven't used air crisp, but you mostly want to do is grill. Like that. Now you can adjust it to mid, low, put it back up. This is also a timer. You can move it up or lower it down. Now we got them on there. That's standard, so you hit that. Boom. Now, it was going to come up later on saying add food, but these are going to be halfway cooked, if not all the way cooked. Yeah, tips of the trade for you to know. And also, it's going to tell you to lift the lid, add your food, or you lift the lid and flip them over, you just add more burgers. Alright, like I said, tips of the trade for the Ninja Foodi. Doing us good. As you see, we have it on the stove above the fan. We clean this well all the time, but before, when we were doing sausages, it smoked up the house. They all do. Alright, this is cooking tips for you for the Ninja Foodi, Smart Grill, whatever they're calling these things now. Surfer Joe Show, Chef Frankie.